In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive money on Remitly. Receiving with Remitly works a little differently from traditional wallets. You don't request funds inside the app. Instead, money is sent directly to you based on the delivery method the sender selects, like deposit to a card, bank account, mobile wallet, or cash pickup. Your main job is to make sure your details are accurate so the transfer lands exactly where it should. Start by heading to the Remitly homepage. From there, open your profile by clicking your name in the top right corner of the screen. In the menu that appears, choose Settings. This is where you manage the information that helps Remitly deliver transfers to you without delays. Next, go to Payment Methods. Here, you can add a card if the sender plans to deliver funds to a card that's in your name. Click Add Payment Method, then select Card. You'll see a secure form where you'll enter your card details. Type in your card number carefully, then add the expiration date and the security code from the back of the card. Be sure the name you enter matches exactly as it appears on the card. Small mismatches can cause verification issues or delays. You can add a card nickname if you want. This is optional and only for your reference, which can be helpful if you manage more than one card. Below that, complete the billing address section. This needs to match the address your card issuer has on file. If your Remitly home address is the same as your billing address, you can simply click Use Home Address to save time. If it's different, make sure what you enter reflects your actual billing address to avoid failed verifications. When everything looks correct, click Save. This stores your card securely and makes it available as a delivery destination when the sender chooses to send to your card. From there, Remitly will route the money directly to the method your sender selected. No extra action needed from you at the time of transfer. A few practical tips as you wrap up. Confirm with your sender which delivery method they're using so you know where to expect the funds. Keep your details up to date in settings to prevent delays. And remember, available delivery options can vary by country and currency, so what you see may differ based on where you live. That's it. By ensuring your information is accurate in settings and understanding that the sender controls the delivery method, you'll be ready to receive money smoothly on Remitly.